Today we're going to be glazing your clay cupcakes, so you get to decide any color that you want to put on it and any design. If you see something you like in these pictures for inspiration, feel free to take it and use it for your own cupcake. You'll start today with your fired clay cupcake. Notice how it feels a little bit different than it did when it was just dried. Firing clay changes it and makes it harder and more like a ceramic. You'll also need these special glazing brushes, which are different from our paint brushes, and you'll need your glaze. You're going to choose 4 colors for your cupcake. You can choose 1 for the base, and then the other 3 can be for the frosting, or you can choose to use all of them on all parts of it. First, you're going to start painting the base. I use the wider flat brush for this because it needs to cover more area and it's only 1 color. You want to use 2 coats of glaze on all the parts that you glaze so that it is fully opaque rather than transparent. You don't want to be able to see through it. Don't forget to paint the inside of your cupcake base too, because when you take the lid off, you're going to be able to see that part as well. When you need to move it, touch the glazed part using the ends of the brushes. Clean your brushes really well and dry them on a paper towel between every color. You don't want it to be too wet because it'll mess the glaze up. I'm using the smaller, pointier brush for the cupcake's frosting lid because I want to be able to do details and I don't want my colors to get mixed up or messed up. When you're all done, double check and make sure that you painted 2 coats on all part of your glazed cupcake. Once you're completely done and you know you've painted 2 coats, put it on the board to dry again and then we'll fire it. I hope you feel as relaxed as Machka does right now after doing your glaze.